What are the sleeping giant risks of not patenting for startups? When you don't patent your ideas, you're vulnerable to copycats. Without patents, startups risk larger companies copying their innovations, and there's no legal recourse. And so a prime example was Photo, a company that Facebook approached as a partner, and then Facebook later on cloned the capability, and the only recourse was Photo to sue Facebook as an unfair competition. And that's a very weak claim, and ultimately Photo folded the business because the bigger companies have more resources. So there's also lost market opportunities. The failure to patent can result in competitors securing rights in similar products. And when they do that, they block your market access. So you really want to do patents first and as fast as you can. There's also reduced valuation. Patents are assets. So the more patents you have, the more you can show increased valuation from an asset viewpoint, right? But they also protect your market, and because of that, you have a higher profit margin. With a higher profit margin, that will ultimately lead to higher valuation using the time value money, the usual valuation process. So the lack of a patent may significantly lower a startup's valuation and attractiveness to investors. There's also the lack of patents will also result in a weakened negotiation position. Without patents, startups may struggle to negotiate favorable terms with partners or acquirers. Most M&A transactions, they pay attention to the patent portfolio and the trademark portfolio. Those are the two main items they check for. The larger the portfolio, the more you can argue for a higher valuation in a sales or a merger and acquisition. Without a patent, you also may miss licensing options. Unpatented innovations cannot be licensed, and therefore you would forfeit the revenue streams from licensing. These 5 reasons are significant reasons why startups should think about patenting earlier rather than later.